Would you like to have an egg? Huh? Do you want this egg? Huh? You want it? There you go. You want it? Get it. It's okay. It's yours. There, you can have it. Get it, Scarlett. You don't want no more eggs? Here. It's okay. There you go. You enjoy, baby. It's okay. That one's yours. You're not going to eat that one? We'll take it to the house if you're not going to eat it. Get it. Take it to the house. She used to love to eat eggs like this. She still does, but she's got some health issues and it's hard for her now. But she's going to get there. Mama could crack it, but Mama ain't going to. Come on, baby, you can get that. It's okay. We'll take you to the house. Come on, let's go. Take you to the house. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. I guess you're going to take this into the house. She hadn't eaten it yet. Where are you going with that? All right, you can eat it. Go ahead. You need Mama to help you crack that thing, honey? She's gonna figure out how to get it. She loves her eggs. Oh yeah, she got it cracked open now. She just eats the inside. She don't eat the egg. She's gonna enjoy it. Y'all have a good one.